Episode on how to make Pong. So we're gonna start where we left off from episode 1. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna start with the ball physics. Right now we just have one forever go-to mouse pointer, and this is just to make sure that for testing purposes. So now let's start with ball physics. So this physics system is heavily inspired by a YouTuber named Griffpatch. I'm sure you guys must have heard him. So we're gonna make a new block called Raycast Edge with two numeric inputs called X and Y. And you're going to make sure that you click on Run Without Screen Refresh. Okay, so when you start, you're going to raycast edge. The numeric inputs are going to be X position and Y position. So, just for now, we're going to do point in direction, pick random, from 1 to 360. Okay, and now we're going to make a new costume, which is only 1 pixel. So you're going to delete the circle, and you can click on the paintbrush. Then you're going to go all the way to size 1. And then just click, and have a dot. Make sure it's centered. Okay, and you can see that it's 1 by 1 pixel. So, here you're going to switch. First of all, you're going to hide it. And then you're going to switch to costume 2. Or dot. I'm just going to rename this to ball. Okay, now what you're going to do is drag in a repeat loop. Repeat until. And then you're going to do repeat until touching edge. And then you're just going to move 1 step. Now you're going to make 2 variables called speed x and speed y. And you're going to make sure it's for this sprite only. Now what you're going to do is set speed x and set speed y. Okay, what you're going to do now is, so you're going to have x position, y position, divided by 25. It doesn't necessarily have to be 25, but if you wanted to go faster, you keep this lower, this number lower, and if you want to go slower, keep this number higher. And then what you're going to do is go to X, Y, so that we can make sure that we are in our original position before we ran this loop. And then you're going to switch costume to ball, and you're going to show. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're going to drag in a forever loop, and we're going to make a new block called tick. And make sure you click on Run Without Screen Refresh. Okay, now let's start coding tick. Just going to drag and tick into the forever loop, and we're going to do that. So now what you're going to do is change x by speed x, and change y by speed y. Now, to make sure that we have realistic physics, what we're going to do is place an if, and place another if here. And then we have 3 objects that we want the ball to bounce off of. One, the player. Another is the AI. And the second is the edge. So we're just gonna do that. And then we're gonna do touching player or touching AI or touching edge. Just gonna duplicate this, place this here, and place this here. Just gonna clean up. Okay, what you're now gonna do is, so what happened is that you changed the ball's X position and it's touching something. So we're just gonna do set speed X to the negative of speed X. And to make sure that we don't have any bugs, we're just gonna do that. Do the same thing here, but just make sure that you switch all the X's to Y's. Speed Y, change Y by speed Y. Yeah. So that is our ball physics. Everything should be working correctly. I'm just gonna hide these variables for now. And yes, everything's working. Oh, that's a glitch we're gonna fix in the next episode. So you can see that we have realistic ball physics and our AI is actually working pretty good. It's just tracking the ball. Yeah. So in the next episode, we're going to work on a scoring system. And we're going to fix that bug where you see the ball got stuck in the player. So we're going to fix that too. And we're going to make a win condition, like first to 5 wins, or like you can customize it as well. We can also make a simple particle system. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.